everyone, this is a super quick food haul. I didn't think I would do one, but I went to the shop yesterday and there's a few things I forgot, although I still managed to forget something, which I'll tell you what it is. Well, I might as well tell you what it is. Dental sticks for the dog. So when she has a morning walk, she normally comes back and has a dental stick. Now, I don't typically do the first walk of the day. Sometimes I do, it just depends, but the majority of the time someone else does. And they never used to give her the dental chew. I used to do it, but I was like, can you give her a dental chew when she comes home? And they've started to do it. So they didn't tell me that she'd run out of dental chews. And then I went in the drawer to get something yesterday afternoon after I'd been shopping. And I was like, oh, well, the dental chew's gone. They'd finished, because I'd been getting the big box, which lasts about a month. And then I managed to find 2 of Lidl's own in the drawer that I got her ages ago. And she's not as keen on, but she'll eat if she has to. So I was meant to get just 1 packet of dental chews for now, and then try and get the big box if they still do them at Lidl next time I'm in. Totally forgot to get them. Luckily, she still has 1 dental chew left. I'll try again tomorrow. I might even go to Lidl. But because I was going somewhere near Sainsbury's, I did go to Sainsbury's. And I spent £11.74. I got the 4-pack of Super Softest Quilted by Sainsbury's. This is actually my favourite toilet roll, believe it or not. I do like the scented ones. And I've not been to Tesco in about 6 weeks. Last time I got scented ones, I got them from Asda. But again, I've not been there for about a month. But I do love the scented ones. But these are so soft. And that's why I like them. I've not had a bottle of Diet Coke in ages. I almost got full sugar Coke, because I need something at the moment. And I was actually looking for something else, and I spotted that was on offer, and it had 35p off. So I think it was £1.15. So I'm going to actually put that in the fridge and have it later on. And I did go, if you watch my video, I did go to get a big pack of Evian, you know, the little bottles, like a 12-pack or an 18-pack. And I'm pretty sure the 12-pack was £3.70, and I'm there thinking, I'm sure they're cheaper in Lidl, and I couldn't remember how much I paid for in Lidl, so I just ended up getting a big bottle. I feel like I've got a big bottle of water somewhere. I can just fill up my smaller bottles with the big one for now. I get the smaller ones because I can just slot them in different places in the fridge, and that's why I get the small ones. And sometimes, like, I want to get a drink and take it out with me, and grabbing a small bottle is better than grabbing, well, I can't take a big one, but if I take a small one, I can, like, just go with it. Whereas a big one, I'd have to pour it into something else. And sometimes I like to put electrolytes in, like powders. Like these. I've actually not tried these. I've got some of them in my car. But anyway, I've just got that for now. I've not had Evian in ages. Evian used to be my favourite one. And now I mainly have either Highland Spring or Buxton. Because Evian has a sweeter taste to it. But the one that I don't drink is Volvic because I don't like it. Anyway, that was a long story. I got a whole cucumber. I didn't get chocolate yesterday. I totally forgot. So I got a mini egg bar. So I'm not a fan of lemon scented cleaning products because I always feel like it smells artificial, and I don't like the scent of it or the smell of artificial lemon. But these were the cheapest and only lemon was available. So because the container at the front, the box that had them, was empty, I was like, oh, they must be good. So I searched and they had a box behind them, and I took a pack out. Dettol ones were on offer for £2 for this size, or £3 for the big pack. And Dettol are better, but I thought I'd give these a go. They're just going in the not the ensuite toilet, the downstairs toilet. Because I've got the toilet wipe ones that you use for the toilet you can flush because they're dispersible. And these are just handy for, you know, like a quick wipe. So they're going in there. And this is going in there as well. This is the lime one. I like the ocean one the most. I do like the pine one in, like, winter time. I think I've had the lime one before, but this is going in the downstairs toilet, basically. Because not only will it smell nice, it does stuff. But yeah, that's it. Any questions? I doubt you do, because it's pretty self-explanatory. Let me know. If you're new here, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.